Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make pumpkin tofu. Hope you like it. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin and dietary fiber. It is a low-calorie and healthy choice with a naturally sweet, fragrant, and soft taste. Ingredients: pumpkin, silky tofu, carrot, corn kernels. Peel and cubes carrot. Carrots are crisp, sweet and juicy. Raw carrots are refreshing and slightly spicy, while cooked carrots are soft, tender and sweet. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C and dietary fiber, protect the eyes and are antioxidant. They are low in calories and are a natural tonic. Peel the pumpkin and cut it into small cubes. It will be easier to steam if it is cut into small pieces. The pumpkin is more sweet after being steamed, and the texture is soft and delicate, with natural chestnut and honey aroma. High-temperature steaming fully releases sugar, melts in the mouth without being greasy, and retains complete nutrition suitable for all ages. Steam pumpkin for approximately 20 minutes until pumpkin turned poked and soften. Remove pumpkin from steamer and mash thoroughly with forks. Add water into wok. Add pumpkin puree, stir and bring it to boil. Add a teaspoon oyster sauce and cook for a minute. Adding oyster sauce can enhance the flavor, or you can choose whether to add it or not. Pumpkin gravy set aside. Let's stir-fry carrot and corn kernels. Add carrot and corn kernels. Add a teaspoon oyster sauce. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Optional to add chicken powder. Add a teaspoon cornstarch and water for cornstarch water to thickening the sauce. Corn and carrot is ready. Remove silky tofu from packaging. Place silky tofu on plate. Slice silky tofu. Arrange silky tofu nicely on plate. Pour pumpkin gravy on silky tofu. Place carrot and corn on tofu. It's so easy. Tofu is ready to be eaten. Pumpkin and tofu are a perfect match. The sweetness of golden pumpkin and the fragrance of tender tofu blend together, creating a rich taste. After steaming and stewing, the pumpkin melts and wraps the tofu, forming a dense and thick soup with a balanced, salty, and sweet taste. Beta-carotene complements plant protein, is low in fat and high in fiber, and has a strong sense of fullness, which is especially suitable for people who exercise and lose weight. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Need cooking inspiration? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.